Hey everyone, we're out here at Maker Faire 2013 with the guys from Delta Faucet. So first, tell us who you are and what do you do?
I'm Bob Rodenbeck, and I lead the research and development group at Delta.
Okay, so Bob works in the same studio as Judd
Lord, yeah.
Judd Lord, who was one of Inventables' first customers. So we're in good company here with Bob. They brought out the whole R&D team. So now, Bob, tell us, what are you guys showing here today?
All right, so we're showing our technology around shower heads and faucets.
So now, most people don't think about shower heads and faucets as having a lot of technology, but I'm guessing since you're showing it, it's probably pretty complicated.
Yeah. So we're showing our H2O kinetic technology. If you look over here, this is one of our water chips. And what the water chip does, it creates a couple pressure imbalances and actually causes the water to oscillate back and forth as opposed to just a single pinpoint. From that, we create a great shower coverage and water pressure for a great shower experience overall.
That's pretty cool. So now, is your background in engineering?
My background is electronic engineer as well as marketing.
Okay, and so when did you first start making stuff? When you were little?
I grew up on a farm when I was making stuff all day long.
Okay, so did your parents kind of encourage this kind of making behavior?
Yeah. It kind of came natural out of being on the farm in terms of how to get things done, not always having the right tools, having to solve a problem. It just kind of came natural.
All right, so you grew up sort of in an environment that demanded you be resourceful.
Absolutely.
So did you then go to school to be an engineer or a designer?
Yeah, so then when I was younger, I got involved in 4-H, got a real interest in electronics, and then I went to Purdue University and got a degree in electronic engineering.
So how long have you worked at Delta Faucet?
I've been at Delta Faucet for 10 years,
okay.
And some of my products were the Touch 2.0 electronic faucets that came out about 5 or 6 years ago.
Cool. So what did you do before you went to Delta?
Before I was at Delta, I worked for the aerospace industry and also the security industry, bringing electronics into different things.
Pretty cool. So now, why did you guys come to Maker Faire in 2013?
Okay. We believe that we are makers as well. So we have a lot of talented engineers, and they're all kind of makers in their own way. That maker thinking is in all of our faucets and all of our technology that we do.
Yeah, so we actually know a little bit about Delta, and you guys are a pretty creative company, pretty resourceful. You have a pretty good shop there where you can do prototyping and design. What's your favorite tool to work with?
We've got 3D printers down in the basement that we can dream up something in the morning and get the parts off the machine in the afternoon.
So what kind of 3D printers do you run there in Delta?
I have no idea.
So are they the tabletop ones or the big ones?
We've got these gigantic tabletop machines that'll make lots of good-sized parts for us.
Okay. So not one that maybe right around here, more of an expensive high-end model.
This is an industrial-grade, professional-grade printers that we use. So.
All right. So for the millions of people watching, especially those kids maybe in 4th or 5th grade, they're just getting started making. What advice do you have?
First off, have fun, follow your interest, and don't be afraid to fail. Try a lot of things because that's how you learn.
All right, you heard it here first from the guys in Delta Faucet. Don't be afraid to fail. Thanks very much.
All right, thank you. It's fun.
All right.